Hello, fourth grade scholars. We're going to continue our experiment on structure versus function. Hopefully you all have picked out really interesting animals or plants to sort of think about the two. I was looking at my puppy and thinking, he has the structure, or she has the structure of whiskers, and the function is for him to be able to feel, to sense more things around them. But now we're going to talk about plants. So we're going to do our first experiment. What I'd like to do is use the mighty celery. And on this celery, you're going to notice I picked out celery that has leaves and then its roots have been cut off right there. But I have most of the celery plant right here. But particularly I wanted to see the leaves of here. We're going to use an experiment where we use celery, a glass of water, actually 4 glasses of water, and food coloring. I'm going to put 20 drops of food coloring in each of these glasses, and then I'm going to put the celery in, and we're going to check it every hour. So I'm taking a piece of celery and I'm putting it in my glass of water after I've added 20 drops of food coloring right here. I think I might do all 4 colors, and I might even just want to make a purple just because. All right, so your task now, scholars, is I want you to write down in your notebooks, what do you think your hypothesis is? In other words, what's going to happen to the celery if I add the celery to water that has food coloring in it? Is anything going to change? Are we going to see anything different? So that's your hypothesis. Your hypothesis should read this, and I wrote it down in my science notebook. It says, if I put the celery in the whatever color you want, blue food coloring, for X number of hours, then what will happen? So what do you think will happen? In fact, I'd like you to think about what's going to happen after 1 hour, after 2 hours, and then after 4 hours. So take a minute and write that down.